You hear about the NASDAQ on the news every day, but what exactly is it? Let's break down how this major stock market works. The name stands for the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. It was the world's first electronic stock market. It currently hosts over 3,000 companies, many of which are leaders in the technology, software, and biotechnology sectors. Unlike older exchanges that relied on human floor traders, the NASDAQ was built to be purely digital, making trading faster and more efficient. Investors often compare it to the New York Stock Exchange. While the NYSE features older, industrial companies, the NASDAQ is home to modern tech giants. Because half of the index is weighted toward technology, it often experiences more volatility than broader markets like the S&P 500. Keep in mind that, when you buy a fund tracking the NASDAQ, you are primarily betting on the performance of the tech sector. Understanding where stocks trade is a great step in your investing journey. Subscribe for more basics and remember, this is not financial advice.